Changing your security settings on BMO Bank is essential for protecting your account. Follow these simple steps to update your security preferences. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the BMO Bank website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings or profile section. Click on it to find the security settings option. Step 3. Update password. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Look for the option to enable two-factor authentication to FA. Follow the instructions to link your phone number or email for additional security verification. Step 5. Review account activity. Check the account activity section to review recent transactions. Report any suspicious activity immediately through the provided options. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your BMO bank account. Regularly updating your security settings is a good practice to keep your financial information safe.